Welcome to Work Smart Essentials, where we simplify Excel and professional skills for everyday work. If you find this content useful, like the video, subscribe to our channel, and drop a comment with your questions or topic request. Now let's move into today's topic. Today we're gonna cover count A, and count blank, the three important formulas that are used in Excel. So let's quickly jump in. Okay, now we have the data set available with us that is showing employee ID, name, department, age, joining date, salary, and the remarks. Okay, now we have to do 5 tasks. So let's start. The first task is use count to count numeric values available in count E. So before we start, let me just tell you count is used to count the numeric values in a particular range. Okay, so it will count only the numeric values, whereas count A will count the non-blank cells. So that would mean that it would count the numbers as well as the text data that is available in the data range. Count blanks help you find out where all the data is not available in the selected data range. So let's see how this works. What do we want to find out? We want to find use count to count numeric values in column E, that is the age. So let's apply the formula. So equal to count. Now we want to count the age data that is available. Enter 4. See, it shows that four of the cells are those that have the ages available within it, and it will only count the numeric values. Okay, so our first task is complete. Next, use count A to count the non-blank cells in column C. Okay, so we will see count A, and we gonna see the name column. Okay, so out of these, what should be the answer? It should be 5, because we can see there are 5 names available with a one blank cell there. So answer is 5. See, it has counted all the cells that has something written in it, and it just ignored the blank cell. So that's how the count A works. Let's once again do it. Use count to count salaries in column G. See, count doesn't add it. It just shows that where all the data is available. Count, and we gonna count this much. Okay, enter. So see, 5 cells are there where data is available. So yes, this formula is working. Okay, use count A to count filled cells in entire table. So now for the entire table, we want to find out what all cells are filled. Count A. Okay, and we are going to select the complete table. Okay, now enter. See, it shows that 39 cells are there that is having the data. Okay, next, use count blank to count the blank cells in the table. Okay, now let's apply count blank. What will count blank do? Count blank will do one thing, that is it will give you the number that has the number empty cells there. Okay, the number of empty cells will be counted and the cell with a data will not be counted. So see, 10. So here let's just recheck this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So yeah, we have 10 cells that are blank, and here is our answer that is came up with count blank, that is 10. So I hope you have understood how this formula works. The count A, and count blank. So basic difference is count will able to be count the numbers. Count A will also count the numbers, When it comes to counting the text, count will not be able to work, but count if will be able to count the number of text available in the cell. Count blank will not be counted with count and count a. For that, we have to use the count blank. So I hope you are clear with these three formulas. If you found the video useful, please like the video, subscribe to our channel, and do drop a comment on what next topic do you want. Thank you for watching.